2022 Volkswagen TAOS here at European Motors, and I love this blue. I don't know the exact name of this, but it is just a really cool electric blue, just something different that you don't see every day. This is the SE 4MOTION model, 4MOTION being the all-wheel drive. Some of these are just front-wheel drive, but this one is all-wheel drive. And this is a one-owner, clean Carfax. And this still has factory warranty as well. Huge panoramic sunroof. Has the original TAOS all-weather mats. Love the gloss black. Alloy wheels with a great set. Fan cook tires, all season tires, tons of tread on those. This has 40, I believe it has around 41,000 miles if I remember right. We'll get you the exact in the car, but shows really nice for around 40,000 miles. Sight down the side, I don't see any dents or dings. These TAOSes are a nice mid-size SUV. Plenty of room in the back. We have those factory mats back here as well. Get the trunk opened up for you. And look at that. We have the cargo mat back here. Looks like we got, look at that. We got the spare with all the tools as you would expect. Nice and clean down there. See the seats fold down. Make it super easy, fold nice and flat. Sitting down the driver's side here, great shape. I don't see any dings or dents over here. Flip this seat back up. Another look at the back. Those rear seats look like they've never been used. They're in great shape. Another look at that huge panoramic sunroof. Rims are in great shape as well. Don't see any curb marks or anything like that on them. And again, this has factory warranty still on it. One owner, clean Carfax. Let's hop in and take this for a spin. Buckled up here. And I said 41. This has 40,759 miles. Push button start right down here. Fires up as it should. I see it's giving me a message. I have adaptive cruise control. I see I have blind spot monitoring. Tons and tons of safety features. I see the key down here. We got remote start on this one as well, and then I know we have 2 keys for this car as well. I believe, Caleb, look at that, we got the books in the glove box. What you would expect from a one owner clean Carfax car with factory warranty. One thing I like about this particular TAOS is a lot of cars, to adjust the climate control, you just get a lot of, they almost make it too much. You have quad zone, there's 18 buttons to turn on the AC or to turn on the heat, where this one, you just have a knob for temperature, one for your fan speed, and then one for where the air is going. Got a couple extra ones for your defrost and stuff like that, and of course, heated seats. Tons and tons of options in here. We got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a nice sound system. Let's see if there's anything on the radio here today. Really nice sound system. Got charging ports down there. Of course, radio controls as well on the steering wheel. Ooh, look at that. I didn't notice that. We have a heated steering wheel in here. And this is all-wheel drive, and these get really good fuel economy. I don't know it off the top of my head, but I want to say these get right around 30. Caleb, if you could, when you're editing this video, just put it right down at the bottom of the screen for those watching. But really good fuel economy out of an all-wheel drive SUV. course, Apple CarPlay, you can put your phone's navigation right on that touchscreen there. Really easy to use. Got the green light here. Apple CarPlay connectivity. Plenty of get up and go. There's 50, 55, and 60. I see I have the green light on the dash just saying that the lane departure warning is sensing the lanes by me. Nice and quiet, comfortable ride. Straight and true, no shakes, no shimmies. Get on the brakes here. Give us a call, 319-393-8496, EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states. If you have questions about that, give us a call. We can get you some more information about that. Or if you're local, stop on by Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Eastern Iowa, about 4 hours away from Milwaukee, Chicago, St. Louis, Omaha. Swing on by and take a look at this sweet TAOS for yourself. And if you're local as well, we do service we service German cars, Porsche, Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Mercedes. So if you have a car already, stop on by. We can get that fixed up for you as well. Or take a look at this sweet 2022 TAOS as well. 319-393-8496. Thanks for watching.